वेलकम फ्रेंड्स, आपका स्वागत है क्वांटिटी सर्वेइंग के डॉक्यूमेंटेशन के नेक्स्ट पार्ट के प्रेजेंटेशन में। फ्रेंड्स, डॉक्यूमेंट्स टू बी मेंटेन एट साइट में हमने अर्लियर में वर्क डायरी, हिंड्रेंस रजिस्टर, चेक रिक्वेस्ट, रिक्वेस्ट फॉर इंस्पेक्शन, रिकॉर्ड ऑफ मिनट्स ऑफ मीटिंग, ये वीडियोस देख ली है। इनकी लिंक्स भी मैं इस वीडियो के एंड में अटैच कर दूंगा दोस्तों। अभी इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे रजिस्टर फॉर एक्स्ट्रा पेबल और एक्चुअल बेसिस, contractual daily records, correspondence, variation register, material register, records of drawing finalized and supplied during execution of the project, payment for additional work or extra work in project. Extra or additional work may be required to be executed on instruction of client to complete the job. These works, which are not defined in BOQ nor in any of the document forming contract, become out of scope of the work. Means OOSW. These have to be recorded and signed by the contractor and clients so that it forms basis for billing of the extra work. Register for extra work. Record to be maintained. Resources deployed for the extra work like manpower, material, machinery and other resources like shuttering, etc. Duration of deployment from start date of work to the finish of work. Bills or any specialized subcontractors if any. Signature of the client. If not signed, submit a photocopy with a covering letter daily to the client for his reply on this issue. Variation register. What is variation? A variation to the job executed comes in the form of the following: increase and or decrease in the quantity of original scope, change in the line and length of the item of the work, change in specification of particular item of work, extra item of work, substitution in work. Variation register. In case such variation occur, the cause for such variation should be understood and proper evaluation of the cost of such variation should be done. These costs should be substantiated properly and submitted to the client with proper documents and proofs. The register should be maintained at site to record the variation, which will record the facts and grounds for variation at any instant of the time, using which the variation can be evaluated and justified. It is an experience presently that most of these cases are referred to DRB and arbitration. Hence, documentation is very important and mandatory. Material register. In all the projects, material cost is 40-45% of the total cost. It is therefore very important to maintain a material register for all materials used at site. These registers have to be updated every time there is incoming of materials to the site and every time the materials get consumed in the process of construction. This will help to check actual consumption versus actual realization from the client. Also will help to reducing wastage at site by having constant check on use of every material items. Material register further. Without proper documentation, it is very difficult to differentiate the consumption of material in various heads like main work, preliminary work and cutting wastages and scrap wastages. Thereby, the reconciliation become difficult, resulting excessive wastage or consumption. These documents should be maintained by the individual engineers and reconciliation statement should be prepared by them or either monthly or fortnightly basis as per billing cycle and sent to quantity survey department for further reconciliation with a client billing from where the actual cost of the construction get reflected. Bar bending register. A bar bending register is one where the engineer records the length of each different bar type for a structure in it, with a total consumption of the same for particular structure, adding totally for top of different sizes of the bar. Maintaining a bar bending register helps the engineer to plan reduction of wastage of cut pieces to minimum quantity, since he knows the desired size of the reinforcement required for his structure. Hence, he can order for similar size and or he can know the availability of cut pieces which can be used for making rings and chairs, etc. This helps in reducing wastage to great extent and reduce cost of the project. Drawings. Record of drawings finalized and supplied during execution of the project. The work is executed as per approved drawing of the engineer. In many cases, an engineer issue a drawing with a different revision numbers on different dates and with various changes, and the latest revision of the drawing is considered for the execution and payment. It is very important that a department receive the drawing and that department is responsible for maintaining the document properly and circulating a copy of the same to all concerned persons and or department. Drawing. Record of drawing finalized and supplied during execution of the project. The most suitable department to maintain such documentation is a QS department, since all drawings are to be kept by them for raising RA bill and lastly the final bill. If drawings are not maintained properly, then it may occur that the actual work done with respect to the latest revised drawing is not billed. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share it. Likes करिए, comments करिए, subscribe करिए. Thank you for watching.